ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 30th November 2025, Sunday. Kritika Masam, 14th. Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadharado, Kartika Masam, that is Vrchika Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 4:29 p.m. Dashami, then Ekadashi. Sunday, that is Bhanuvasaram, Nakshatram up to 9 p.m. Uttratadi, then Revati. Yogam, Sthiti Yogam. Today's Rahuvaram 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamagandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guligalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Sunrise 6:18 a.m. Chandrashtamam for Simharashi. Prayachittam Jangiri. Sradhatidi Dashami. Tomorrow Guruvayur Ekadashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.